This is a project in Boston, the Back Bay area, that we got called upon to do. Strip an old existing deck that had mahogany on it, and we got it all down to the frame. Then we had to wire brush the steel, prime it with black paint, and put a coat of finish paint on it. And then we screwed 2x4s, as you can see in the pictures. We used Ipe decking with hidden fasteners. The product was got at Anderson and McQuaid in Cambridge. I made up the rails at my shop, which were made out of mahogany with a Ipe drink rail. All the corners and joints were all biscuit jointed, glued and screwed. You can see the deck stairs below with a walkway, which we stripped and painted at the same time. Project took about 1 week to do. The stairs, we had to pre-cut every step. We used a template and then we cut all the angles and then proceeded to install. The walkway we did, and then we had to make a template for the curve, cut the curve and then install everything. Everything is secured by screws from the underside. For your next project, please call Liam Neary Construction 617-708-5355. Thank you.